I chose BHMS over IT engineering. Do I regret taking it? What are the pros and cons of taking BHMS? Should you choose BHMS in 2025? So are you someone who are confused whether to choose BHMS? Does it even have scope? Then this video is for you. Hello. Myself Prapti Jaiswal, a BHMS student, and I left IT engineering for this. And if you have some idea about engineering, you might know how much IT engineering is in demand now. So let me tell you my story that I had PCMB in my 11th and 12th. I wanted to do something in medical, so I was focused about my NEET. But my parents told me to keep maths as an optional subject. So I had taken maths for that. But I was very practical. I have no family members who have taken science or they are into medical field. So from scratch, I had to find out what is NEET, how to give it. So everything I have done it by my own. So I was very sure that MBBS I won't get, and also I wanted to do BHMS. So I was very sure कि okay BHMS में तो लग ही जाएगा admission. So I was studying accordingly, and we were COVID batch students. So there was lack of guidance, but at my pace I did my best. And I was never very focused about PCM, but I gave CET as well, and I really scored well, or actually more than my NEET in the CET examination, and I got admission into one of the topmost colleges from Mumbai of IT engineering. And the moment I got it, my parents, relatives, friends, everyone told me to choose IT engineering because it is in highly demand. It is increasing, the scope is increasing in IT engineering, and it was the one of the topmost colleges from Mumbai to do IT engineering. But I wanted to do something in medical field, so I didn't choose. So if you are someone who want to do something in medical field, then you should choose medicine, whether it is BHMS, BAMS, BDS, if you want just DR in front of your name. And I duly respect to each of the pathies and BDS, everything. So if you have already taken drop, especially if you have already taken one drop or two drops, then I think you should go with that. You should go with whatever you get, and especially only if you want to do something in medical field. If you don't want to do anything in medical field, and if you are just here for that prefix of DR, then this is not the right place for you. You find something else in which you are interested. Because I got this query from someone that the boy got just qualifying marks, and they were asking me ki, should they take drop or they should try for MBBS abroad. So my honest opinion would be, if your marks is this much, don't take drop, because as you know, after seeing the paper of 2025, the level of examination is increasing day by day. So don't think of taking drop. And secondly, if you are planning to do MBBS from abroad, so वहां पर से जाके पढ़ के आने के बाद you will have to give examination here to practice here. Then again for MD, you will be requiring to study that much for and crack NEET, PG. So don't spend money on studying MBBS abroad, because let me tell you, MBBS is just an hype. MBBS is nothing but just an hype. If you want the social image, this, that, in this 18 and 90s, you will feel that MBBS is everything. If I didn't get the MBBS, my life is over. No, it is just not like that. If you really want to do something in medicine, choose Ayurvedic, choose homeopathy, choose Unani. You can go with dental, anything. But only if you have love for that, only if you want to practice medicine. I swear, I tell you, I assure you that doing MBBS is nothing. Nothing. So I wanted to do something in medicine, so I chose BHMS, and you should do it too, because your relatives don't know. Your relatives might judge. Your relatives might say, "Oh, it does not have scope. Do something else. Do MBBS or take drop." But the relatives don't have to prepare. You have to prepare. So if you are planning to take drop, then your marks should be minimum above 450 to 500 to, if you want to take drop. And if you don't want to take drop, if you're planning to do MBBS from abroad, then think again. Or if you want to choose MBBS just for hype, then please don't. Let me be very clear that after clearing MBBS, you have to do MD, and for that again you have to give PG. So if you are not able to crack NEET UG well, you might suffer to crack NEET PG. But if you do the other pathies, you will be able to practice allopathy as well as an emergency medicine. But if you come once you get into homeopathy, you will love this pathy and you would want to learn more and practice homeopathy. So choosing BHMS is not will not go waste. So yeah, so know your level, know your place. And before answering to your parents or to your relative or to your friends, first I would want you to sit and to be honest with yourself that are you very sure of doing MBBS or taking drop for that, or if don't, and if you really want to do something in medicine, go with the other option in whatever you get. If you are okay with studying Sanskrit, if you had Sanskrit in your junior college or schoolings, then you should go with Ayurvedic. And if you don't want, if you want to study everything in English, you can take BHMS. I always wanted to do BHMS, so I chose. And so the question that do I regret? So no, I don't regret at all. I know it will take time for me to grow here, and I would have completed my IT by this time if I had taken it. But I seriously don't regret, not even a percent. So you also choose wisely, because your career and your life partner, these two things are the most important decision making thing. So choose wisely and don't depend on what your parents say or what your relatives say. Okay, can consider our parents what they say 30%, but more than that, more than 50%, 70% to 75%, it should be from your core that what you want to do. So choose wisely. So should you choose BHMS in 2025? I would say yes, yes, and yes, because I already gave you. Okay, we can consider our parents what they say 30%, but more than that, more than 50%, 70% to 75%, it should be from your core that what you want to do. So choose wisely. Then what are the pros and cons of taking BHMS? So pros are that you will get the title DR, prefix DR to use, which when we don't get into medical college, we just hype over it. But once you get into BHMS college or into any medical college, you don't hide that much and it becomes very normal to us, but still you get that prefix DR. Then you will be able to study about medicine in 5.5 years. Then you will be able to study the unique system of medicine and healing. Then the recognition and the scopes are increasing day by day in BHMS. And if you really want to do medical something in medicine, then you should go for it. And if you don't have Sanskrit or if you don't want to study Sanskrit, and if you want to study everything in English, you can still choose BHMS. Then what are the cons? The cons are that the recognition is little less than the MBBS, but it is just in front of the people. For you, you will be more peaceful if you choose it. Let me be very honest. And log chahe jo bhi bole, you should not judge yourself. So society will judge, your friends maybe, and the starting initial phase, the growth will be maybe a little slower, but it depends on how you practice and how you do in your study period and everything. So at the end, let me be very real and raw that it is not about the degree, it is about the person who adds value to it. So if you really have that capacity and capability, then you will be able to do much more better in BHMS than you could have done in MBBS. So if you want to add value, you can do it anywhere. And the scope is also increasing. You should not judge the external things. You go with the flow, and whatever you choose, whether you choose Ayurvedic, homeopathy, BDS or MBBS, once you get there, accept it. Because I have seen people, they get into BHMS or any other pathies and still they are like, अरे मुझे तो ये नहीं करना था, मैं क्यों आ गया यहाँ पे? So you should not curse anything. So once you get at that place or some place, accept it fully, accept that it was your destination which brought you over here, and do well from there. Because आई डोंट नो हाउ टू एक्सप्लेन दिस थिंग कि जब तुम एक बार एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हो ना, फिर उसके बाद तुम वहां पे बहुत वहां की तुम पॉजिटिव चीजें देख पाते हो, वहां पर तुम और अच्छा कर पाते हो. सो विश यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट इफ यू आर choosing BHMS. Homeopathy needs more good students like you all, and we as a senior will be waiting for you to come and choose BHMS. And yeah, we will see you soon as a BHMS student. Let me know in the comment section that are you planning to choose BHMS this year, or are you already a BHMS student? What are your experiences? I would like to. And if you liked the video, consider liking it and subscribing it. And yeah, as I always say, that this is small but growing channel, and if you want to be the part of it, consider liking and subscribing it. Thank you for watching.